To use the Credit.com password reset feature, start by going to the Credit.com website and clicking on the Login button. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link located below the login fields. You will be taken to a new page where you will need to enter your email address associated with your Credit.com account. Enter your email address and click on the Send Email button. Credit.com will send you an email with a link to reset your password. Open the email and click on the Reset Password link. You will be taken to a new page where you will need to enter a new password and confirm it by entering it again in the Confirm Password field. Make sure your new password is strong and unique, containing a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name or birth date. Once you have entered your new password and confirmed it, click on the Reset Password button. Your password will be reset and you will be able to log in to your Credit.com account using your new password. It is a good idea to reset your password periodically to keep your account secure. If you have any issues with the password reset process, you can contact Credit.com customer support for assistance. Remember to always use a strong and unique password for your Credit.com account and to keep your account information up to date. This will help to protect your account from unauthorized access and ensure that you can continue to use the features and services offered by Credit.com. By following these steps, you can easily reset your Credit.com password and regain access to your account.